Sam Carroll! Hold up, just take two.
Hold on.
And check this out.
Hi, I'm Nathan Fowler.
And I'm Sam Carroll.
And we are FH Interiors Limited. We are your supply fix stop paint specialist. And today we're on site in Prebbleton on a large 430 square metre home. Today we're going to give you a run through on our second coat stage in the plastering. So follow us. This is our first coat stage. As you can see, we've got it taped in and a first coat over top of the tapes. Screws are done. We've got a coat on the angles. We let that dry and then we'll put a second coat on. As you can see, the boys are hard at it. Second coat's been applied. Next up, we do the external corners and the internal corners.
Here at FH Interiors, no job is too hard for us, as you can see with this architectural ceiling.
So after today, we will apply the final coat, then we'll sand it, and then we'll have our painters come through and complete the job. Feel free to contact us today for a friendly, competitive quote, whether it's your supply, fix, stop or paint. For all your interior needs, give us a call.
Jump on our website and check us out on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching.